You've seen them everywhere. The gray floors, the white kitchens, and that freshly renovated smell. It looks perfect, right? But in the industry, we have a name for this: putting lipstick on a pig. This house isn't new. It's a disaster wearing a tuxedo. Today, I'm going to show you 4 dirty secrets of flipped houses that might be the biggest financial mistake of your life. We are peeling back the shiny floorboards to see what's actually rotting underneath. Secret number 1, the vinyl floor cover-up. Flippers love cheap gray vinyl, or LVP. It's fast, it's cheap, and it's the perfect way to hide a rotting or uneven subfloor. If you're walking through a house and the floor feels spongy or has a slight bounce, stop. You aren't just looking at cheap flooring. You're looking at a $10,000 subfloor repair bill hiding under $2 floorboards. Secret number 2, the fresh paint trap. See that bright white wall in the basement? It looks clean, but sellers often use specialized paint to cover up black mold instead of actually fixing the foundation leak. Don't just trust your eyes, trust your nose. If a basement smells like a damp cave, it is a damp cave. No amount of fresh paint can stop a mold colony from growing behind that new drywall. Secret number 3, the electrical panel makeup. The panel looks brand new, right? Shiny breakers, clean labels. But look behind the drywall. Often, flippers leave 70-year-old knob and tube wiring hidden in the walls and just connect it to a new box. It's not an upgrade. It's a fire hazard waiting to happen. Always check if the outlets are actually grounded before you buy. Secret number 4, the drywall mask. Foundation cracks are expensive, sometimes costing over $30,000 to fix. A common flipper trick? Slap on some new drywall, a bit of mud, and a fresh coat of paint. It hides structural damage long enough for you to sign the papers. Look for step cracks on the exterior brick. If the outside is cracking, the inside is too, no matter how smooth that new drywall looks. Buying a home is the biggest investment you'll ever make. Don't buy the flip, buy the structure. Hit subscribe so you don't get scammed on your next home. See you in the next one.